What happens in your body when you eat too much salt? Here are health issues related to salt. Salt serves not only as a seasoning ingredient that heightens the flavor of various dishes, but it also plays a critical role as a necessary mineral for promoting proper muscle and nerve function. Consisting of 40% sodium and 60% chloride, salt additionally facilitates the maintenance of proper water and mineral levels in our body. However, excessive intake of salt can lead to adverse effects on our body, both in the short and long term. While you may relish indulging in a bag of salty potato chips during your weekend TV time, your body must exert more effort to eliminate the surplus sodium. Here are some typical consequences of consuming excessive salt. 1. Water retention. Perhaps you have experienced feeling bloated and swollen after consuming salty food. This occurs because the body endeavors to uphold a particular balance between sodium and water levels. Whenever we consume an excess of salt, our kidneys tend to retain additional water, which can cause water retention. As a result, swelling may occur, particularly in the hands and feet, causing discomfort. 2. High blood pressure. The consumption of salt-rich foods can lead to a surge in blood flow within your blood vessels and arteries, which can result in a temporary increase in blood pressure. However, the effect of salt on blood pressure can vary among individuals and is also influenced by factors such as genetics and hormones. Elderly individuals are more prone to experiencing a spike in blood pressure levels following the intake of salty foods. 3. Make you thirsty. After consuming salty food, you might feel thirsty and have the urge to drink more water. This is another mechanism by which your body aims to maintain a suitable balance between sodium and water levels. However, excessive fluid intake may lead to more frequent visits to the restroom. Conversely, inadequate water intake can cause an unsafe elevation of sodium levels in the body, resulting in a condition referred to as hypernatremia. 4. Cardiovascular problem. Consistently incorporating excessive amounts of salt in your diet can have detrimental effects on your heart in the long term. As blood volume increases due to excess salt intake, it can cause greater pressure on blood vessels, requiring the heart to exert more effort. This can ultimately result in the development of high blood pressure, as well as an increased risk of heart attack and stroke. What to do if you have eaten too much salt? Although we are all cognizant of the impact of excessive salt consumption on our well-being, occasional splurges are not uncommon. If you happen to overindulge in salt once in a blue moon, here are some effective ways to recover. Drink a lot of water. Drinking sufficient water helps eliminate toxins from the body. After consuming salty food, drinking enough water can assist in removing sodium from the kidneys, thereby alleviating bloating. Exercise. Engaging in rigorous activities such as running and bodyweight exercises that result in sweating can aid in sodium loss through sweat. Eat a banana. In order to counteract the adverse effects of sodium in the body, it is advisable to consume foods that are rich in potassium. Intake of potassium-rich foods such as bananas, white beans, and leafy greens can help alleviate the negative impact of sodium. Consuming excessive amounts of salt can lead to various detrimental effects on the body. When you eat too much salt, the kidneys may struggle to remove the excess sodium, causing it to accumulate in the bloodstream. As a result, water retention may occur, leading to bloating, swelling, and weight gain. Furthermore, salt-rich diets can temporarily increase blood pressure by causing more blood to flow through the blood vessels and arteries. Over time, this can lead to the development of hypertension, which can cause damage to the heart, blood vessels, kidneys, and other organs. Additionally, excessive sodium intake may also lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. In order to flush out excess sodium, the body may require more water, which can lead to frequent urination and thirst. Overall, it is important to limit salt intake to recommended levels to maintain good health and prevent the risk of developing various health complications. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.